Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll show you how to quickly set up your TP-Link Archer AC750 router using the WPS method. This is the easiest way to connect devices to your router without having to enter a password manually. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll receive everything you need to get started: the TP-Link TLMR6400 4G LTE router, a power adapter for reliable energy supply, an Ethernet cable for wired connections, and a quick installation guide to assist with easy setup. After inserting the SIM card, connect the TP-Link TLMR6400 router to a power outlet using the included power adapter. Press the power button to turn it on, and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize, indicating the device is ready for setup. Now, connect your computer or mobile device to the router. You can do this using a LAN cable or by connecting to the default Wi-Fi network name printed on the sticker under the router. The default Wi-Fi password is also listed there. At the rear of the TP-Link TLMR6400 router, you'll find the WPS button, designed for effortless connections with WPS-compatible devices. Pressing this button allows you to quickly and securely connect without entering a password, making setup fast and user-friendly. Next, press and hold the WPS button on your TP-Link TLMR6400 router for approximately 2 seconds. The WPS LED will begin blinking, signaling that the router has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect with a compatible device wirelessly. Once you've enabled WPS on your device, it will automatically search for the TP-Link TLMR6400 router. The two devices will pair without requiring any password. This may take just a few seconds. After the connection is successful, check your device's Wi-Fi settings to confirm it is connected to the router. You should see the router's Wi-Fi network name appear. You're now connected to the internet without needing to enter a password. If you experience any issues or need assistance during the setup process, don't worry, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Feel free to reach out to our skilled professionals for expert guidance and troubleshooting at 1-323-507-3713. And that's it. You've successfully connected your TP-Link Archer AC750 router using the WPS method. It's quick, easy, and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.